your case, that would be appreciated. Oh, did I?
Hold on.
Reading my D number. 360.
All right, Howard Robinson, you can unmute yourself. Mr. Petway, you ready to go on the record?
Yes.
This is the People versus Kyle Rice. Ticket number X3469139, count one. No operators license or multiple ops, no ops. Warning, please state your names for the record, starting with the attorney, Mr. Faulkner.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
My name, Teresa
Oh,
Robinson.
Sorry, we're doing Rice. Go ahead, Mr. Rice.
My name is Kyle Rice.
Your Honor, this is a state matter. The state prosecutor has not appeared. We can't engage in any meaningful negotiations in this matter. So for lack of prosecution, I'd move to dismiss.
All right, so the court will dismiss this count without prejudice. Good luck to you, Mr. Rice. And,
Am I about to get my license?
there may be some reinstatement fees that you're gonna have to pay.
What do I need to do though?
I'm looking. He would just pay the reinstatement fee at the court.
So yes, you can come to 36 District Court to pay your reinstatement fee.
Could you please tell me how much it is, please?
$45.
$45.
Is you serious and I can get my license back?
You can get your license back if you pay $45.
I'm about to be on my way down there right now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mr. Rice.
That's it, just $45.
Yes, sir.
Just come down to the courtroom and just pay $45. I'm not gonna go to jail.
Yes. Okay, you are all set, Mr. Rice.
Oh, he has a bond, so he can apply.
Oh, I got better news for you, Mr. Rice. You paid the
It's
bond,
free?
right?
You said it's
you paid
Yep,
the
I paid
bond,
$100.
So you'll get money back. They'll just apply the bond money to the clearance fee, and then you'll get money back.
So y'all about to pay me to come down there?
What was that?
Y'all about to pay me to come get my money back and my license?
Almost, but you paid for it. But you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
You the best judge I ever had in my life, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, lawyer. I can leave now?
You can leave. You're all set.
Oh my God. Dog. I got
Mr. Faulkner, that was entertaining. Who would you like to do next?
I don't know, but you get one at a time, Judge. You just win them over one at a time, and there's one. I don't care. Kenya Daniels.
All right, Ms. Daniels, you can unmute yourself. Hello. All right, this is the People versus Kenya Daniels, ticket number 339655, count one, failed to display. Count two, unregistered motor vehicle. Count three, uninsured vehicle. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Faulkner.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, ma'am?
My name is Kenya Daniels.
Your Honor, there is an offer. My client would plead guilty to count two, unregistered motor vehicle, with the other two to be dismissed. My client accepts that offer.
All right, Ms. Daniels, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down and try to keep your voice up. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Faulkner today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
That's better. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 1st, 2017. Approximately, it's like 6:20 p.m. On that date and time, you're at or near the location of 7 Mile and I'm not sure, 7th Street. Burner, okay, 7 Mile and Burner, and
Yes.
in the city of Detroit. And were you driving? I see some kind of vehicle. Were you driving a vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, and did you have improper plates?
Yes.
Okay, you're satisfied with the factual basis, Mr. Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And you'll stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court will dismiss the remaining counts and will amend the original charge to improper plates. As the sentencing, Ms. Daniels, are you working?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm gonna give you a fine of $200. When do you
Okay.
think you can get that paid?
I can get that paid on the 6th.
That soon? You can get a little bit more time than that. I can do 30 days, 60 days if you need it.
30 days would be fine.
Okay, so it's gonna be due, just to be on the safe side, I'll give you 45 days. Let's do June 22nd. That's when it's gonna be due. But give it a day or so, then you can come down and pay it.
Okay.
There can be time before then, but you need to have it paid by June 22nd, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, and you are all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you. I appreciate you for all your help today.
Problem. Thank you. All right.
I'm good to go too?
Yes,
Good to
ma'am.
go. Have a good one.
Okay, thank you. Take care.
You're welcome.
Good luck.
All right, Ms. Faulkner, who's next?
Well, let's see, Harvey Robinson.
All right, Mr. Robinson, you can unmute yourself, sir. This is the People versus Harvey Robinson, ticket number P1135482. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. We're also here on ticket number P1135473. Count 1, 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Faulkner.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Mr. Robinson, can you unmute yourself? Look on the bottom left-hand corner. There you are.
I'm sorry, Robinson.
Okay.
Your Honor, on the docket, it only had the one case, the no insurance, unless I missed something.
There is another ticket. If you need an opportunity to speak to him, it's a civil infraction. The offer is limited access, 60 and a 55 zone.
Limited 50 and 50, okay. I have to speak to him again then.
Okay. All right, so we'll hold off on him and Mr. Robinson can go back into a breakout room and then we'll do Mr. Ross. Are you ready on that one?
Yes.
Okay, so Mr. Robinson, Mr. Faulkner is gonna talk to you. There was a ticket that he wasn't aware of. So he's gonna speak to you about that, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Mr. Robinson, can you go back to the breakout room, please?
Yes, thank
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Ross, you can unmute yourself, sir.
Mr. Ross actually has an attorney.
Oh, he
He
does.
just logged in. Mr.
Mr.
Mercier.
Mercier?
Yeah, he was in the wrong court.
Oh.
Yeah. He probably is gonna need to talk to Mr. Ross.
Wait, no, it's not. It's late. Good morning, Mr. Mercier.
Good morning.
How are you?
Doing well, Your Honor. Sorry I was in courtroom 435 here earlier. That's what my paperwork said.
It's all right.
Are you here for Brady Ross?
I'm here for Kevan Ross, who I believe is, I thought I saw him logged in there. Brady, I believe he goes by the same name, yes.
He goes by Brady.
Yep.
Okay. Mr. Ross is here. Do you want a copy? You want me to send you the offer, Attorney Mercier, or?
If you could email me the offer as well as if I could get into a breakout room with him would be helpful.
Okay. Can you send me your email in the chat, please?
Do so right now.
Thank you. Mr. Ross, I'm going to place you back in the breakout room so that you can talk to your attorney, okay? Mr. Ross?
Unmute, Mr. Ross. You have your device muted. Unmute your device.
Mr. Ross, can you go back to room 2, please? Go back to the breakout room and your attorney will be in there shortly.
Ms. Robinson, you know how to unmute yourself at *6? Ms. Teresa Robinson, to unmute yourself, you need to push *6. Ms. Robinson? Okay, can you hear us, Ms. Robinson?
I think she's,
She's
Out.
unmuted now, but I need her to say something so I can make sure I can hear her.
Ms. Robinson, are you there? Can you hear us?
Is that it?
There you are.
There you are, right?
Okay.
Okay,
I'm not good with the phone.
that's fine. You're doing fine right now. So we're gonna go on the record. This is the People versus Teresa Robinson on ticket number P1230295. Count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plate. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Mr. Faulkner.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Teresa Robinson.
Your Honor, I believe there is a plea dismissed count 1 and plead guilty to count 2. I think I got that correct.
You do.
Okay. My client accepts that.
Okay, Ms. Robinson, can you raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity,
Yes.
Ms. Robertson, to speak to Ms. Faulkner, Mr. Faulkner today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
And has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
I didn't hear that one.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
And by pleading guilty, you understand you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with this guilty plea?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 28th, 2021, at approximately 11:50 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Gratiot and Concord in the city of Detroit?
yes,
And were you driving a 2005 Audi vehicle?
yes.
And did you have improper plates?
I had my plates from my previous vehicle that had been in an accident. And I didn't know, it was not, I didn't know that was allowed. I learned the hard way.
Okay, just so we're clear, the plates were improper, correct?
Yes, they were from the other vehicle.
Okay, you're satisfied with the factual basis, Mr. Faulkner,
Yes, Your Honor.
and you stipulate to probable cause as to count 1 to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court will dismiss count 1 without prejudice, and as the sentencing, Ms. Robinson, are you working?
No, I'm a senior citizen.
Say that again?
I'm a senior citizen. I take care of my 2 disabled grandsons and my brother. Okay.
Do you have a legal source of income? Do you get some kind of income?
Yes,
Okay, so what I'm going to do, but you're on a fixed income?
yes.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna make the fine $100 and give you 3 months to pay that. So it's due
Okay.
August 3rd, 2020.
I have to August 3rd, or I can pay it way before that.
Do you want me to give you less time?
Well, I can pay it by, let me see, like about the 26th of this month, if not before.
So you want me to do June 22nd?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so I'll change it to June 22nd. It'll be $100. Okay?
Okay, that's okay. I learned my lesson the hard way.
Yes,
Yep.
not a good idea to try to, sneak and put some plates that belong in another vehicle on a different vehicle. Shouldn't do stuff like that. But
Okay.
what's most important is that you learn something. So don't do it again. Good luck to you.
Okay. Okay, and good morning. I didn't say good morning to you.
Okay, good morning, Ms. Robinson, and have a good day.
Okay, and you also.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm ready to go back in.
Wait,